Because of technology, many things are very fast, easy and convenient to do, and one of them is having an online business. And if you are a small business owner or thinking to start your own business, it is very important कि उस business की online presence हो. Because as we all know, lockdowns की वजह से जो offline retail businesses थे उनको बहुत ज्यादा सफर करना पड़ा था, but जो online businesses थे उनको इतना ज्यादा सफर नहीं करना पड़ा था. Plus having an online business is cost effective and आप अपने कस्टमर का डेटा भी ट्रैक कर सकते हो, जिस डेटा का यूज करके आप अपने बिजनेस को अच्छे से स्केल अप कर सकते हो आने वाले फ्यूचर में. एंड हैविंग एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस इज अ ग्रेट वे टू मेक सम एक्स्ट्रा मनी फ्रॉम योर फ्री टाइम, जहां पे आप थोड़ा सा टाइम देके एंड थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट करके एक्स्ट्रा मनी अपने लिए जनरेट कर सकते हो. प्लस अगर थोड़ा सा इनपुट देके कुछ पैसा ज्यादा घर में आ रहा है तो उसमें क्या ही प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है किसी को. एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ ग्रेट वे टू मैक्सिमाइज योर इनकम. प्लस आपको इन्वेस्टिंग के थ्रू अगर आपकी वेल्थ को ग्रो भी करना है तो आपको इनिशियल कैपिटल की रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी जो आपको बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज व्हाई हैविंग एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस एंड रनिंग एन ऑनलाइन बिजनेस is a great way to build your initial capital as well. And trust me guys, it is very easy and cost effective to build an online business from scratch with InstaMojo. To build and start your online business from scratch, you will need three major things. The first one is idea, the second one is execution and the third one is marketing. And इन तीनों के बारे में आज के इस एपिसोड में हम डिटेल में बात करेंगे. So everything in this episode, let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Pratik. I hope you are doing well, and the first thing you will need to build and start your online business from scratch is having a product idea. What you are gonna offer, what you are gonna sell to your customer and how that product will add value to your customer's life. And if you ask me, according to me, it would be great if your product idea belongs to a niche category with some uniqueness. For example, अगर आपको गार्डनिंग पसंद है तो आप एक ऑनलाइन बिजनेस बिल्ड कर सकते हो जहां पे आप गार्डनिंग के रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स को सेल कर सकते हो. Another example could be if you love pets, आप पेट प्रोडक्ट्स का ऑनलाइन बिजनेस बिल्ड कर सकते हो जहां पे आपके टारगेटेड कस्टमर्स रहेंगे पेट ओनर्स. अनदर ग्रेट एग्जांपल कुड बी हैविंग अ प्रिंट ऑन डिमांड ऑनलाइन बिजनेस जहां पे आप कस्टमाइजेबल पर्सनलाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट सेल कर सकते हो अपने कस्टमर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल कस्टमाइज्ड टी शर्ट्स हो गए और मे बी कस्टमाइज्ड नियॉन लाइट्स हो गए जो बहुत ही ज्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है आजकल, और मे बी फोटो फ्रेम जो एक पर्सनलाइज्ड वेक्टर आर्ट हो, और ये भी बहुत ही ज्यादा यूनिक आइडिया हो जाता है प्रिंट ऑन डिमांड बिजनेसेस के लिए. वंस यू आर रेडी विथ योर प्रोडक्ट आइडिया, द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज एग्जीक्यूशन where you require an online store जहां से आपके जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो आपके कस्टमर्स परचेज कर पाएंगे. एंड ओवर हियर InstaMojo can be very helpful for you guys. You might think tracking orders, collecting payments and shipping all those products could be very hectic and tedious process and it could be costly as well. But over here InstaMojo got you covered where all these things can be done very easily, conveniently and cost effectively with InstaMojo. How? Let me show you how. Building an online store is super easy where you have to register yourself on instamojo.com and you can register yourself through InstaMojo Android app as well. And once you have registered yourself successfully, the process is very simple where the first step is to give your store a name and make sure your store name represent your business. For example, if you have a gardening business, you can pick a name like Gardening 101 or peacefulgardening.com or something like that. In the next step, you can integrate your social media handles on your InstaMojo store so people can know your business better. In the next step, let InstaMojo know what type of product you are selling. Are you selling digital products or physical products or something else? In our example of gardening business, the product will be physical product, but the good news is you can sell any type of product over InstaMojo. The next step is telling InstaMojo which niche category your business and product belongs to, and this step will help InstaMojo to optimize your store for digital marketing. The next step is choosing a theme and make sure your theme represent and complement your business and your product type. And the good news is InstaMojo have a very good collection of free as well as paid themes from where you can choose. Once you select your theme, InstaMojo will ask for store URL which you would like to have for your business. And that's it, your online store is ready and now you can start adding your products on your store. And here are some example stores which are built on InstaMojo and they look very professional, aren't they? And you can also build this type of online store for your own business with minimum efforts. And अगर आपको ये efforts भी नहीं करनी है तो InstaMojo की टीम आपके बिजनेस के लिए आपको ऑनलाइन स्टोर बिल्ड करने में मदद भी कर सकती है. वंस कस्टमर्स कम एंड मेक परचेसेस, यू कैन मैनेज एंड ट्रैक ऑल दोस एक्टिविटीज जहां पे आपको आपके डैशबोर्ड पे सब दिखेगा कि कितने ऑर्डर्स आपने रिसीव किए, कितनी इन्वेंटरीज आपके पास है, कितने पेमेंट्स आपने कलेक्ट किए एंड कितने प्रोडक्ट्स शिप हो चुके हैं. एंड यस, InstaMojo कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प यू विद शिपिंग जहां पे InstaMojo इंडिया में ओवर 26,000 पिन कोड से ज्यादा लोकेशंस में आपके प्रोडक्ट शिप कर सकता है. यू कैन ऑफर डिस्काउंट्स एंड कूपन codes, you can integrate your social media pages and you can collect payments and whatnot, and all these things can be done on the go with InstaMojo Android app as well. And all these things could be done for as low as ₹8 per day. So I would highly recommend you all guys to check out instamojo.com if you want to build your online business. So now you are ready with your product idea. You have an online store from where customers can make purchases. So now the third and final part will be bringing customers to your online store, and this could be done via marketing. You can use Facebook, Instagram और Google Ads जहाँ पे आप specific audience को target कर सकोगे जो आपके potential buyer हो सकते हैं. You can also use influencer marketing to bring your products to your customers, जहाँ पे आप उन influencers के साथ tie up कर सकते हो जो influencers आपके जो products की industry से उनसे belong करते हैं. And also you can build your online presence by putting out the content on your social media handles which could be useful for your audience. Search engine optimization, email marketing and providing discounts and coupons to your customers, and all these things could be very useful to market your products to broader audience, and all these things could be done very easily and effectively with InstaMojo. As a conclusion, I want to tell you guys that if you want to start your online business, this is the best time you can do so. Just think different and start with unique product idea and execute that idea, where InstaMojo can surely help you simplify things for you on building your online store. And the next step is marketing your business properly to make it successful. Keep in mind, success will not be overnight. You have to think long term and आपको time देना पड़ेगा अपने business को. But I can tell you surely that if your product idea is good and your product is adding value to your customer's life, and if you market your product properly, and if you integrate yourself with right business partners like InstaMojo, your business will flourish sooner or later. On that note guys, thank you to be with me in this episode. Make sure to check out instamojo.com. The link is in the description below. And as always, like कर देना इस episode को, subscribe कर दो मेरे channel को, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.